Okay, YouTubers, this is Jack of all trade. Right now, we are going to install this vanity lights over here. Is a back bar. So I'm going to install this. Right now, we're going to replace the old one. Okay, so this is right over here. Okay, and they removed that old one right there. So it's rusty, not good. So I'm going to remove all those wires and put this new one on here. I make it only 4 instead of 6. They have two. They have 6 down there, 6 bulbs. So I'm just gonna make it 4, but I'm going to put it 60 watts daylight bulb. So that's better than putting more 6 bulbs in there, you know. And I'm going to use LED lights right there. So yeah, okay, I'm going to install that. So right now I removed that already, so I'm just gonna rewire them. I take it off the old one and put it in a new one. Okay, that's it already installed. So I already put the ground, the hot wire and everything. So I'm just gonna caulking that hole right there and then going to paint that again. So I just put this to 4 bulbs instead of 6. So you know, but I'm gonna put it more on wattage on the bulbs. So it's gonna be 60 to put it in, and the LED lights right there. Okay. Okay, this is all done right there. I put it in, installed already right there. So I got 4 bulbs instead of 6, and I put it more wattage on the bulb, you know, 60 watts each, so it's a good one. Alright, okay, there you go. Alright, that's a LED lights right there. Okay, alright, so these lights for the vanity here in the bathroom is done. Alright, thank you again for watching. This is Jack of all trade. Thank you, bye bye.